The first step to using EDM is downloading and installing the application on your computer from Ettifos Help Center, our tech support hub. After installation, make sure you insert the USB license key provided upon purchase before running EDM. To connect Sirius to EDM, go to Setting, then Connection Setting. Set TCP/IP to the IP address as printed on the side panel of your Sirius device. Then pick your preferred log folder path. Finally, click Connection. Now, let's take a look at screen layout settings. In general, by moving the windows, you can dock and tab them to your desired spot around the screen as shown here. After moving the windows to your desired positions, right-click on any window and click Connection. To receive constellations, you need to right-click on the equalizer window separately and click Start Receiving Graphs. The graphs can be set to an auto scale or a fixed scale. Even after disconnecting EDM and closing the window, your screen layout settings will remain the same as they were last set upon reopening. To clear registry, go to Function, then Clear Registry. By doing this, your layout settings will be reset to default. Next, let's go over saving logs on EDM. There are two modes for saving logs. The first one is Auto Log Save. This mode automatically saves all logs once you start connection. While you're in Auto Save mode, you can also choose to save specific parts of the log by following the instructions on the screen. Something important to note is that the automatic saving stops once you choose to manually save parts of a log. The second mode is User Mode Saving. In this mode, no logs are saved unless you manually start and stop log saving. Now we'll go over how to convert logs on EDM. Before converting, please disconnect logging. Open all the logs you're interested in converting and saving. After that, right-click on your desired log, hover over Report Convert, and choose your file type of choice. Another way to convert logs is to use Convert Log in the Log tab. Please note that for log to text, only Ettifos log files can be converted and saved as text files. To convert reports within a log file, use Report to within Convert Log. Start by choosing the log file for converting, then select all the reports you want to convert below. For the last part of this user guide, we'll go over how to replay logs on EDM. After selecting the log file to replay, click Loading Data. To play, click Start. To change the replay speed, click Stop first. After selecting the new speed, click Restart. To replay from a specific point, simply click Stop and slide the slider to your desired point before restarting.